Mouthing off, what does it mean? Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a colorful English expression, mouth off. If you've ever wondered what someone means when they say someone else is mouthing off, then you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery. To mouth off means to speak in a rude or disrespectful manner. Typically, it suggests that someone is speaking without thinking or in a way that may offend others. It's often used when someone talks back, argues, or makes snarky remarks. For example, if a student talks back to a teacher disrespectfully, someone might say, "Did you hear him mouth off to the teacher?" Mouth off is informal language. You'll hear it used in casual conversations, movies, TV shows, and sometimes in literature. It's not typically used in formal writing or professional settings. Here are a couple of examples. 1. She always mouths off when she's angry, even if it gets her into trouble. 2. I don't appreciate you mouthing off like that. Show some respect. While the exact origin of the phrase is unclear, the term mouth off seems to draw from the visual imagery of someone's mouth moving rapidly or uncontrollably. In essence, when someone mouths off, their mouth appears to be running without restraint or careful consideration. There you have it. Next time you hear someone mention mouthing off, you'll know they're referring to someone speaking out of turn, disrespectfully, or without thinking. Remember, language is vibrant and ever-changing, so stay curious and keep learning. We hope this video has shed light on another fascinating English phrase for you. Until next time, happy learning!